N95 mask खूप जण घालतात. आता
Yeah.
obviously in the situation this we are, a lot of people have lost their job, livelihood गेला. N95 also something that is a little expensive. You can't wear every new mask every single day.
Yeah.
असे
Yeah.
असताना, how can, you approach to this N95, which will obviously, help you getting rid of this, staying away from the virus, and also maybe, will not damage your pocket. Is there any chance
So
that,
when I
we can?
said that double mask, when I said double mask,
Yeah.
I did not say N95.
Yeah,
I said surgical.
I'm just asking की N95 जे आम्ही खूप जण आता सध्या N95 सेकंड वेव्ह खूप जण घालतात, खूप जण पळतात.
Yeah. Yeah. So N95 usually when it started with the first wave, there was a huge crunch of N95. N95 mask which used to otherwise get for 40-50 rupees, we have bought it even for 400 and 500 rupees one mask. Okay, then we used to get 10 masks like that earlier.
Yeah.
And now it has come down. Now
Yeah.
the cost is again come down. But during that time, certain guidelines were given to us so that we also don't waste too many masks. So I'll just tell you those guidelines for use of a common man. But definitely it is not 100% guideline. Neither it is something that we advise to follow. Okay. But we were told that time use your N95 mask for the time that you're going to use. After that, keep it air drying. Okay. And use that mask after 5 days. So you should have at least 5 masks with you. So I used one on Monday, then second on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 masks I used. I used the number 1 mask, which I had used on the Monday, on my Saturday day. Okay, then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, again another 5 days come, and I hang those masks every time I come in a proper area which will not be approached by anyone. Like children should not go on hanging on that mask. Understand?
Yeah.
So if you dry at the end of 4 to 5 days, no, the mask starts stinking. So you should never use it again because you really can't have a mask stinking around your nose.
Very true.
So the 5 masks will settle, I think, for almost 28 days or so, 30 days. It will suffice for 30 days.
So I think it's a good way to go approach for a N95 mask, and obviously it will not damage your pocket also when it comes to costing.
Yeah. At the same time, let me tell you that many people wear N95 mask for N number of times. I mean, you can just look at that N95 mask and say that, oh, this has been used for many, many times. It's so dirty and it looks really dirty.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I would really request people not to do that. If you cannot afford N95 mask, go for a simple surgical mask with a cotton mask over that. That is more cheaper. And again, the surgical mask also inside should be discarded once it starts, 1 or 2 days maximum. Don't use more than that. The people who are wearing it throughout the day, they sweat a lot. So you can't use such type of mask every day.
Is there a chance that you can wear in the second wave time? Can you wear 2 cloth mask? Can it help?
So that is not recommended.
Okay.
According to CDC guideline, that is not recommended.
Okay.
We recommend a surgical mask and a cotton mask. See, in army, we have these bulletproof jackets which protect you from the bullets. So these bullets are going to protect your vital organs. What are your vital organs? Your heart, your lungs, all that part, or maybe the brain part because of some bulletproof here. But at the same time, remember the bullet can hit any other part of your body. Okay, so similar is with COVID. How much ever you take precaution as much as possible from your side. Still, there are chances it may hit here and there. So you should be really ready and be mentally prepared to take on if at all you get hit by it. So that's why awareness is important. And I always say, I see what the mind knows. Okay, and that's why you just go on feeding your mind. That's also important.